Okay, here we are, Esperance Wildlife Sanctuary, and we are about 5 kilometres out of Esperance, south coast of Western Australia, beautiful part of the world. And Wildlife Sanctuary is an ongoing process for revegetating this 12 hectare property. What we're doing here is actually an experiment using the Miyawaki technique, which is a 100 square metre block where plants, in this case native plants, native to the local area, are planted in very dense arrangement. So we've got around about 110 plants in this plot, which is about 35 square metres, 1/3 of the 100 metres. So to get to this stage, we're not that far away from planting today, but to get this to this stage, there's been a lot of work gone into preparing the soil, because soil preparation is absolutely critical to achieving the best outcomes in the Miyawaki technique. So what we've done is, this area here is really quite dry area and full of grass, introduced grasses. So we have initially ripped this area and with our tractor and ripper, probably down to about 1/2 metre, and then we've pulled out all of the grass. There's piles and piles of this grass that we've removed, but this is what we've left over with, and it's really important to get rid of all of the weeds before you start, otherwise it's just going to infest and compete with all of the native plants that you're putting in. So that was a big job, getting the weeds out. Then we ripped it again and turned it over and raked out all of those leftover pieces of grass, and then we started to improve the condition of the soil, because here in Esperance, we're very close to the coast, very sandy, gutless white sand, and so we needed to actually improve this area. So what we've done is we've added a whole heap of sawdust fines, very mature sheep manure, and some gravel and loam with a little bit of clay content to hopefully hold some of the moisture in over summer. We then pegged out the area and started to dig all the holes. So we'll just do it in thirds. This is the first block of around about 35 square metres, and we'll lay out the plants in a minute and start planting them. So it's been a long journey to this point, probably a couple of weeks to get to this stage, but very satisfying that we're just about ready to plant around about 110 plants in this spot.